Okay, this is the biggest tank I have, but there's a clown knife fish back there, as you guys can see. Yeah, look at that. I think you can't see it. Yeah, there. And a flower pond there, and down here actually I'm going to get some fish, but there are already a peep of a fish, two. I mean three, but one of it died. I'm so sorry. And I'll just include catfish, and one female flowerhorn. Okay, but I really like this. I want more fish inside, but I'm gonna clean this up. But this is nice actually. The plants are growing, all the plants, and I don't really like this thing. You see this? But yeah, I'm gonna get more, and I'm gonna do this. That's actually the hiding spot. Actually, the female flowerhorn is supposed to be in here, but it fights with the clown knife fish. Where's the clown knife fish? Oh my god, that's my flowerhorn male, I think. Yeah, over there. You can see it, I think, but I can't. Yeah, that one. See it? Yeah, there. Now my terrapin. And for this time, I'm going to get a filter, a small filter, I think. But I have one more here, but I'm not using it. So see you guys at the terrapin place. Okay, here. My terrapins are in here, but you can't see it that much because this is the terrapin and this is the lobster. Can't see that much, but not much actually in this tank. So back at my cat now. Okay guys, the cat, I think you guys seen her before in the YouTube marble. I think so, but I gotta get my vlog. Oh, come on. Okay, that's the end of the video, but not much, right? But okay. I like it. But the best thing, I want to this out. But I'm just kidding. Okay, but nice haircut, do you mind? I'm just kidding. Okay. I want to talk about what I like animals. I like a tortoise that can live until 200 years, and what I said, sturgeon. I like that. It's like a shark, but it's not. I really like fish and lizards. But when I have those, when I have those things, animals, and then I really like something. Yeah, I don't know why, but I like koi. Koi is pretty nice. I like a butterfly koi. That's nice. I like that. But I have a big tank. Big, like super big. I think it's 100 gallon. I don't know how much 100 I don't know, but it's pretty big though. I'm going to show you guys when all my fish get big. But the most fish I like, what I said just now, there's a sturgeon, stingray, freshwater stingray, sturgeon, and little catfish, tiger shovel nose, paku, pufferfish, freshwater pufferfish. I want this tank. I want my flowerhorn and my codfish, like super nice. I want it's active. There's fish inside, like 3-4. I don't chase too much, but I need a little bit smaller ones. But I need to at my flowerhorn size or my clown knife fish size. but I want it so much. It's good for the tank. I think it's going to look super sick. I think it's the tiger shovel nose or maybe the alligator gar. Alligator gar is not alligator. It's a fish. Go search it out. Go search on Google. Seriously. And alligator gars, you can go super big, but I don't have big ones. So I'm going like this. Yeah, like this big. And they sell it in 25 like that. 25, 20. The spotted guy is 20, but the alligator guy, like the normal ones, I think 25. Wait, I'm doing a video. Wait. And one more thing, guys, make sure subscribe down. Now you can't see it. Okay, sorry. Subscribe and yeah. Goodbye. But I think one more thing is very good is Alapaima. But Alapaima doesn't sell here that much. I need to find an Alapaima or a Elwana. But Elwana is like, it's like $100 like that. So, but thanks you guys all, and subscribe, like, and share.